Let's make a easy vegan Moong Dal Halwa that's even safe for pets this Diwali. Let's get started. For this recipe, you would need moong dal that's soaked overnight, some jaggery powder, besan, suji, some pistachios, one or two cardamom, and some walnuts. First, we'll grind the moong dal into a fine paste, and then in a pan, we'll heat some oil, add besan and suji, and roast it till it becomes light golden brown. At that point, we'll start adding the moong dal paste, intermittently stirring it continuously on low flame, ensuring that there are no lumps formed. At this point, we'll add the jaggery powder and again stir it continuously, making sure no lumps are formed. Lastly, we'll add elaichi and keep cooking it for 10 to 15 minutes till it leaves the sides of the pan and becomes thick and brown. Now we'll serve this moong dal halwa in a bowl and top it up with walnuts that are coarsely ground and pistachios. Now, if you add lesser gur or jaggery powder into the mix, this is even safe to be given to your pets. I hope you enjoy this recipe. Wish you a very happy Diwali from the whole Nidsan team and Maya. Yum yum. Yum yum. Happy Diwali!